Hello everybody, James Donovan here in the wild at Prime Cut Steakhouse Kitchen at Jamul Casino. We are going to be reviewing your ha-mool at home breakfast for dinner box. We're going to unpack this. It's going to be a series of videos on how to cook, unboxing, and we'll get right into it. So this is your box that you'll get with your purchase. We're going to go ahead and open this up right now and take a look at it. You have your instructions. We're going to go through those thoroughly and come up with some secret self-kitchen tricks for you to enjoy. We have our baguettes. We have our sliced bell peppers. We have our beautiful fresh parsley for garnish for our omelet, to make a proper omelet. We have our wonderful maple sausage wings. They're absolutely delicious. Of course, the main food group, bacon, right? We have our onions that are julienne. We have our potatoes for our breakfast potatoes. We have our king of the sea, the beautiful lobster for our lobster omelet. Can't wait. We also have more waters. We have wonderful naked juices. Very, very healthy for you, especially if you've been enjoying some alcoholic beverages. These were wonders and hints. We have Swiss cheese for our omelet. We're going to go over how to make a cheese lattice. It's going to be absolutely exciting. We have Parmesan cheese that's shredded. We have strawberries and raspberries for fruit and garnish. We have, of course, our side of fruit freshly cut for you. Pineapples, cantaloupe, and honeydew. We have Mary's Donuts, two varieties. We have blueberry or glazed donuts, and we're going to French toast the glazed donuts, but you are going to be able to French toast both, or you can just eat them out of the bag if you'd like to. We have butter. We have our French toast mix, maple syrup. We have our, of course, our wonderful eggs, and on to what you're going to need to prepare your meal. I highly recommend a couple of knives, of course, a mixing bowl to whisk our almond eggs, a whisk. We have, of course, China silverware for the meal service. This vegetable spray, avocado spray works. We're also going to use a little butter as well. I love black pepper. I love fresh cracked black pepper. I love the long one so you can kind of get some action into it to really get the flavor. It's really delicious. I highly recommend fresh pepper. We have for the potatoes a mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic. Powdered sugar for our wonderful donuts. Kosher salt. I highly recommend kosher salt so the crystals explode the flavors in your mouth. You're going to absolutely enjoy it. And of course, if you upgrade, ha-mool 23. Wonderful blend of Cabernet Sauvignon. I highly recommend that you take advantage of it. Very good value. Please do so. So, next time we see each other, we're going to go ahead and start cooking donuts, French toast, and of course our lobster omelet. See you then.